Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7a. And to call Siri, firstly we should add this feature to the gesture, because by default we having it at the gestures and we cannot use it. So to do this, you need to open HUAWEI AI Life application. I'm sorry. Also on the iPhone you can use HUAWEI Connect application. I will show you how to find this feature here. So if you use AI Life, you need to click at your headphones at the device list. Then it will open for you headphones menu. In the HUAWEI Connect it will already open for you headphones menu. You need to scroll down and you need to find gesture control. At the AI Life we have it at the right side, at the HUAWEI Connect we have it at the left side. Click at the gesture control button and we can add this feature only for the double press or press and hold. Select the left or right earbud. I want to use the left earbud for the double press. Click on it and select Wake Voice Assistant. If we click at the triple press, we have no option to call voice assistant, but we have it for the press and hold. I want to add it, let's say, for the right earbud, also Wake Voice Assistant, and for the swipe, also we have it. So let's check. The touch area is located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top. So you need to or double press or press and hold. I need to put it to my ear. And now I can use it. So, double press at my left earbud, 1, 2. And as you can see, I just call the Siri. Let's check press and hold at my right earbud. And I also call the Siri. So, we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.